Welcome back to the 30-day declutter challenge. I am here at my mom Kathy's house.
Hello.
And we are going to do some decluttering today.
Yeah, okay.
And we're working through week 2 on the list. You can find this declutter checklist and the declutter calendar over on my blog post, which I will link down below. You can also join my email list and I will send this straight to your email so you can declutter along with us.
Yeah, good.
We're gonna jump right into week 2 here, and we're starting with shoes you no longer wear.
Okay, I'll have to dig through all my shoes to find the ones because they're all in a big pile. Okay, here we go.
Let's dig in and find the shoes.
Okay, I'm gonna look in here because these are the ones I hardly ever wear.
That's exactly what the list is. Shoes you never wear anymore, so this is perfect.
Okay, so these are those
water shoes?
Water shoes, but I only wear these a couple times a year. Camping and the beach.
Camping. So are you going to put them in the camping stuff or you don't want them?
I want them.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of going through what I'm seeing.
Oh, okay.
Here. And then these are
snow boots.
Snow boots, and we wear them to Pismo on the cold nights. What are these? More water shoes.
More water shoes.
Are these mine? Yeah, these are mine. Yeah, so I don't know. I think I had 2 pair. Why? Maybe.
Okay.
Now these are my hiking shoes for when I go hiking.
Camping.
Okay. These are my dirty camping shoes. And I saved these reefs for camping showers and all that.
So this probably is your camping box.
We'll call this the camping box.
Maybe a good idea would be to put a label on the top, which is a piece of tape that says like camping outdoor shoes or something.
Okay, yes. All right, I'll do that. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. I got shoes.
Wow.
I'm just going to go through my shoes. I have more shoes. And then I have sandals. And
wow.
Sandals. Okay, these are all my shoes. Flip-flops, sandals, sneakers. Figure out the ones I don't ever wear. I like them, like the style, but I never ever wear them, so it's been years. Those are gonna go.
Okay.
And then these other ones, I wear them once in a while, but they hurt my toes up here, they hit. So these are gonna go also.
Okay.
These are the other ones I really don't wear anymore.
Okay.
These are not good. So these can go.
But you're getting rid of 4. No,
three
pairs. Perfect.
Yeah. I have pulled out some shorty socks. They usually hurt my feet.
Yeah.
They're right around the ankles.
You have such sensitive feet.
Oh yeah.
And you always are on the hunt for the perfect sock.
Yeah, where the stitching across the toes doesn't hurt your toes, and the ankles are so tight, or now they have some kind of girdle in the middle of it, and it just takes my foot and goes, I'm like, why are my feet hurting so bad?
3 pairs of socks going.
Yay.
As I've been working on simplifying our home, one thing that's really surprised me is how much mental clutter comes from mealtime. That's why I've been using HelloFresh, and it's honestly made such a difference. HelloFresh makes everything easier by delivering everything you need right to your front door. Perfectly portioned ingredients, fresh seasonal produce, and simple step-by-step instructions. No more overbuying, no more food waste, and no more decision fatigue. It's like decluttering your kitchen and your brain. They also offer meal options that fit a simpler, healthier lifestyle, like Calorie Smart, Protein Smart, or swaps like lettuce wraps, double veggies, and on those extra busy days, I love that they have quick meals like 15-minute dinners or ready-made options you just heat and eat. So if you're trying to simplify your routines like I am, HelloFresh is such a helpful tool. It's one less thing to think about and one more thing to enjoy. Take advantage of HelloFresh's incredible offer by using my code STorrensFM for 10 free meals and free add-ons for life. 1 free item per box with active subscription, free meals applied as discount on first box. New subscribers only, varies by plan. Sign up today. Click the link below or use my code STorrensFM. And thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Day 3 or number 3 is old t-shirts or pajama shirts you don't like anymore. That kind of thing. Pajamas.
Yeah, because
on the list it says old t-shirts, but some people wear them for sleeping.
All right.
And you said you looked at the list, you might have some.
Yes. Things I sleep in. It's very personal. Okay.
Oh, it's so sexy.
It's not sexy.
Joking.
It's pink, so, you know, pink. Anyways, I got a newer one of the same thing.
It's so personal. It's literally a t-shirt.
It's not a t-shirt, it's my nightgown.
So that's what I said I said, do you have any old t-shirts that you sleep in that you no longer need? And then you said, I don't sleep in t-shirts. I sleep in nightgowns. Now, can someone explain to me what the difference between
because a t-shirt
and what this looks like, which looks to me like a long
t-shirt I would go out of the house in. I'm not going to go out in my nightgown.
It's just the wording.
Yeah.
It's just a different word for literally the same thing.
Yeah, but I know some nightgowns are shaped like t-shirts. But this one is the same one, like my new one, but this is totally like blown out. The fabric has just gone boing. I sleep in it and I'm falling out all over the place, so I'm gonna get
this one's going?
That's the one going.
This one's going.
Yes.
Okay. And these two are good.
These are good. I've got new ones to replace my
okay.
blown out old ones.
All right. When I first got here, my mom, Kathy, explained that she has all different things that could be decluttered, but we're trying to stick to the list.
Yes, we're going through the list.
So we're going through the list. Okay, number 4, day 4 is jewelry you never wear, or jewelry in general.
Are we going to start and just pull it all out and analyze it? Because I haven't really thought about it.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
If you have it.
It's all over the place. You've seen me declutter my jewelry before, but
yes.
I found this in the...
Oh, how fun is that? It's a jewelry holder thingy McJiggy.
Yeah. Right.
But it's mostly empty.
If you have really small feet, you can put your shoes in here.
A baby shoe holder. Okay.
Okay, so
you have some stuff you don't need in here?
Yeah, because really I don't ever wear jewelry. You know, I like to keep something. It.
You need that.
I know, I was looking for that for Christmas time. I didn't know where it was. Look at this. This is some kind of like melted ash from Australia. I bought that there.
I know. So you're thinking keep, not keep.
And look, I have matching clip-on earrings.
Oh, the pain.
Just the pain. In case you want to have pain. Let me see. How's that?
Well,
I can wear them for about 10 minutes.
Oh gosh, don't pull it off. It's gonna rip your ear.
Jeez.
And your hair.
That hurt my ear. Okay.
You gonna keep that or? Oh, and it felt like a little piece of it fell apart.
Okay, this is old jewelry.
Also, this little guy. Now, I would love to know when you wear this.
Oh, I usually wear it at Christmas time.
Christmas
But
time.
I couldn't find it this year. For the kids, you know, they go, oh, you have a snow globe on. Maybe I'll put them all in here and just have it all hanging so they're all together. That's probably a better idea than taking this all out and finding boxes. Okay, this can be in the, I'm going to get rid of pile. This bracelet from Hawaii. Because...
Okay, I think that came from the dollar store in Hawaii.
Right.
Yeah, it came from the ABC store.
But it's imported from Hawaii. Okay, this is going to go.
So that's going.
Okay, I'm going to set that
How
over
about
there.
these painful earrings that you just said you're never going to wear? We'll keep them just in case.
Can I break? I won't wear those, but can I break it the set?
No one's going to ever know that this went with that.
Someday when I'm old, I'm going to start wearing jewelry.
I joke with you because I'm just like, how old are we going to be before
I'm going to go to, what do they have? Book groups and tea parties. And then I'll wear this.
How old are you now?
69.
69. So when you're older.
When I'm older.
Like 89?
Maybe.
Okay. I'm going to start wearing this to pick up my kids from school. I'm going to be like, guess what?
Yeah, see?
Oh my gosh, that looks so crazy.
I think
like it makes, you know what it does? It just makes your neck look super thick.
But that was in the 50s, that was in, wearing those.
It's freaking me out. I feel like I'm in jail.
Okay.
I'm in jewelry jail right now. It's very pretty though.
These.
I can't wear jewelry. It gives me anxiety.
I don't really.
What about this one? You like?
No. I got it from Italy, but you know what? It's going to probably explode. And I have a quick story. When I was in Italy, they have all these bead stores, glass beads.
Oh gosh, I remember.
And I picked one up, I put it on and went, poof. And everybody's looking at me like I broke it. I did break it, but I didn't intentionally break it. It was just...
It was a slip-on. It shouldn't have broke.
It was rubber. But anyways, beads went everywhere, and the ladies in the store were like, oh.
And then you said,
you have
goodbye.
Goodbye, I gotta go to the next store.
I gotta go to the
I go visit the next door right now.
Then you have more jewelry in here.
I do. I don't even know. You know, I cleaned it out before.
So while she's pulling this out, I just want to have everybody subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I noticed that 60% of people that watch my channel are not subscribed.
Oh.
So hit that subscribe button to support our decluttering efforts.
Yes.
Actually, subscribing is free, so.
This one little box is all my old stuff.
Okay.
Like I'm gonna keep.
Okay, so you know you're keeping that.
Yes.
See a rock. Who knows? Who knows?
Who knows where that rock's from? It had to be important. I didn't write.
It had to be important.
I didn't write on it.
No, it does have a flat side though, so who knows?
It's probably prehistoric, like all rocks. It was a real rare rock.
Ooh, we have one red earring.
I have the other. No, I've got a white one. Okay, these I'm gonna get rid of, but
you know, you've been through all this. Probably.
Yeah, no, I've been through this.
Here is all the jewelry that is being decluttered.
Yes.
That's good.
And I'll just give it to the thrift store. I'm not gonna do anything with it. Give it to anybody or sell it.
Okay. Just give it
away.
away.
Donate it and let them give it away to someone or sell it to someone. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna gather up all my scarves.
Next on the list is scarves, belts, or purses, anything you don't use. And it could be all of it or one of them. And you said you don't have belts.
I don't wear belts.
Belts are not happening. So scarves or purses.
Okay, scarves. Let's hit scarves.
Okay, I've done scarves before.
Yes,
but back in the day.
Yes, so I'm going to pull out the bins. These cool IKEA bins, I'm going to say, with the scarves.
I use these for shoes, but obviously you can use them for all kinds of things.
Yeah, for stacking things.
Versatile.
I got more over here.
We're decluttering scarves.
When you buy things that you're attracted to and you never wear them or use them. I know. Now this one I use in the winter.
How many more? Oh my. This is like one of those clown cars.
It's a clown car of scarves. I don't think I wear this one. I think when I wear it, it's too checkered. This would be a good one to declutter and make room. They're so pretty. See, I painted this. Is that cool or what?
That's cool, but maybe hang it on your wall. That's the comment we're going to get. Hang it on your wall.
I could do that. I could hang it here. I know, it'd be pretty with the sun coming through.
It's very hippie looking. Okay, what about this one?
I want to choose one to keep because I had more before. I had maroon. I had all these pashmina. Oh,
I think the white one should go, to be honest. Because
I know
I don't see you wearing that.
So I'm the tourist. Every big city has these stands where they sell these pashmina shawl.
And you are their number one customer.
And I just buy them. I can't. Yeah. They're so pretty. I can't.
They are pretty. That's the problem. Is they actually are really pretty. Like even this one that I called the old lady thing, it's just something about the pattern, but it is still pretty.
I would wear these too.
I've never seen you wear purple, that's why I'm asking.
Right. So I'm going to get rid of this.
I just found 5
yes.
different options that are going.
Yes.
Maybe one to a friend.
Yes.
And donating all the others.
Yep.
Worn out underwear or bras. You said you do have an auxiliary.
I have an auxiliary bag of things that I've been keeping that I don't wear anymore. So basically I went down 1 cup size over the last couple years. But I kept the bigger ones just in case. You know,
you never know.
You know how expensive bras are.
Yeah.
They were in good shape, so. But I did keep 2 from a different design that I've tried wearing and I don't like them. They're painful, so I'm going to get rid of
2.
Good. Those are going.
And that's the thing about this challenge is it's about peeking in to a certain area, whether it's the socks, the scarves, and just grabbing what is obvious that you don't wear. You don't have to spend the whole day.
Yeah.
You could do this quickly. You could do the whole week in one day, or you could take your time and just do shoes in one day, you know, socks in one day. And the next on the list is coats or jackets you haven't worn.
How about sweatshirts?
Or sweatshirts.
I'm going to give away. Yeah, like I said, I don't have jackets that I'm going to get rid of.
So we're doing sweatshirts?
Yeah. And this is a sweatshirt that I just keep it and then I never actually wear it. I put it on, take it off.
Okay. 2.
Let me see. What's this? I bought these 2 sweatshirts thinking I was going to use them maybe for camping, seriously. But I don't know if I need 2 of them because I don't actually wear them. They're a men's sweatshirt just for, you know, being sloppy. All right,
well, that's perfect.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid
So
of
3 sweatshirts going.
Yes. I just found another sweatshirt and I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't wear it anymore.
We've gathered everything into one spot, and this is what a week's worth of decluttering looks like.
Yeah.
Just grabbing out a few items.
I'm surprised again.
Yeah, I'm actually really surprised.
I thought, what am I gonna find? And yeah, I found a lot.
When I called you and you said, oh, I don't have anything really. I don't think we're gonna find anything. So amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it just shows you a few items going each time. Just makes such a difference.
Right. Yay, I'm so excited.
Yeah. Just follow along with us. Each week we are putting out a new video. So if you haven't seen the first week, you can go back and watch that. I'll have it linked below. And then you can check out next week video coming on Sunday at 6 a.m. Decluttering more with my mom here. And we're going to go through this list. So join the email and find it in the description box down below. We'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye.